Now we are doing prime factorization, means writing a number as a product of its prime numbers only. Okay, let's take the number 72. Two ones are 2 threes are 6. This becomes 36. So I take only prime numbers here. 72 divided by 2, I get 36. Again, we have given you the laws of divisibility, correct? All even numbers are divisible by 2. So again, I'll do by 2. So I get what? 18. 18 is again an even number divided by 2. 9. Now 9 is not an even number, so I go to the next prime number, which is 3. Yeah, we know.
3.
3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. So 72 becomes 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. You have to write in indices form. This becomes what? 2 cube. Barabar na? 2 into 2 into 2 will become 2 cube.
Yes, sir.
3 into 3 will become 3 square. Now again don't write 8 into 9 as 72. Again don't write 8 into 9 which is 72. That's wrong. You have to leave it here. This is called product of prime numbers. It's called what? Product of prime numbers. Okay. So copy this and then we will do one more sum on this. One more sum. Suppose you need to find fact of 125. 125 is what? It's an odd number, so it cannot be
5.
divisible by 2. Now I'll check. 5 plus 2 plus 1. 8. So not divisible by 3. So I'll start with 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 ones are 5. So 125 is nothing but 5 into 5 into 5, which is 5
I cube.
cube. Also, suppose I write 148. So even number start with 2. 2 sevens are 14, 2 fours are 8. 2 threes are 6, 2 sevens are 14. Now 37 is a prime number, I know. So 148 becomes 2 into 2 into 37, 2 square into 37. So we do find for 177 and 198. Okay, 177. It's an odd number, so not divisible by 2. It's an so let's say 7 plus 7 plus 1. 14 plus 1 15. Divisible by 3. So that's why this number has to be divisible by 3. So I start with 3. 3 5s are 15. 2 carry. 3 9s are 27. 59 is a prime number.
59.
59 is a prime number, yes. 59 is a prime number. So you write 3 into 59. That's it. Okay. Can
Yes.
I?
मैंने थोड़ा सा longer method लिया.
No problem. Have you got 3 into 59 only?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is the shortest possible. There's something called as a factor tree also, which you can do. 359. Nothing. So you write 3 into 15. This is the most easiest and standard way. There's something called as a factor tree also. So I'll do by factor tree now. Suppose I'll do by both the methods. Factor tree. 198 divisible by 2, even number. 2 nines are 18, 2 nines are 18. 99 not divisible by 2, divisible by 3. 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9. 3 11. 11 cannot be further divided. So I just have to 1, 2, 3, 4. So I write 198 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 11, which becomes 2 into 3 square into 11. That's called a factor tree. You just make
Sir,
branches. That's why it's called a
factorize. Yeah.
factor tree. You can also do by factorization, like how we did. Do you want to copy or should I erase it?
Sir,
Okay.
did.
2 nines are 18, 2 nines are 18, 3 threes are 9. See, it becomes easier, no? 1 आ गया, just multiply this. 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. 2 into 3 square into 11. Now, we have already done how to find HCF and LCM, correct? So I'll tell you HCF, find of 50 comma 60. LCM, find for 30, 45, 75. Find LCM of this, find HCF of this. Solve. So 50 and 60, the easiest way. The one way is you find prime factors of 50 and you find prime factors of 60. So 225, 5, 5, 1. 50 becomes 2 into 5 into 5. 230, 215, 5, 3, 3, 1. So 60 becomes 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 and 50 is 2 into 5 into 5. So I circle the common numbers. Correct? Only 2 is ones, 5 is ones. So my HCF becomes, I just multiply them. That's the using prime factorization. The second method is also using prime factorization only. 50, 60 you just write together. Common क्या है? Both are even. So 225, 30 and then 5 is common. 5 5 are 25, 5 6 are 30. After this is anything common? 5 and 6 के बीच में? No, nothing is common. So that becomes my HCF. 2 into 5, which is 10.
Sir, I use this method.
Yeah, correct. It's okay. 30, 45, 75.
बहुत लंबा है एलसीएम वाला.
LCM. This one, which one is longer, Hashim?
Sir, एलसीएम.
HCF is longer. Which one? Which method you're talking about?
एलसीएम के बारे में बोल रहा.
This is very easy. See, you 30, 45, 75.
Long.
All three are divisible by one number. You can start with any number. Suppose I start with 2.
मैंने 5 से
2. 15, 45, 75. Okay. 15, 45, 75. All three are divisible by, suppose you just said 5. They are even divisible by 3. But अगर 5 करना है तो 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 9s are 45. 5 15s are. Then it's what? 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. 3. 3 1s are 5s are. Then 5. 1 1 1. So LCM becomes 2 into 5 into 3 2 3 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 3s are 30. 30 3s are 90. 9 5s are 45. LCM becomes 450. Did you get
Sir,
this
in
as well?
this indices form.
Yeah, you can do it. No. LCM is a number. You cannot write it in indices form. Why will you write it in indices form? It's not written as find product. You have to read the questions. If they ask write product of prime numbers, then you will write in indices form. Why will you write this in indices form? Correct? Are you understanding?